A wonderful good morning. My name is Moritz Fiebig and I'm a CrossFit Games athlete. We're here in Hamburg, Germany. So greetings from my country with beautiful sun outside. I just had breakfast, some eggs, avocado and bread to be prepared for the upcoming workout. And we're going to do a workout of the month for SmartWOD. SmartWOD is a nice training app. You have the training app on the one side, and on the other side you have the timer app. Just check it out. And today we're going to do a 9-minute AMRAP, as many rounds or reps as possible, and it's going to be very, very hard because we have two movements who are like skill based and technical. So yeah, we're going to do back squats, and after that ring muscle ups. It's in a ascending ladder, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on, with back squats 120 kilo for men and 90 kilo for women, and ring muscle ups. You can scale these with just going down with the weight for the back squats. I would say just find a weight for yourself which you can do like 15 reps unbroken, I'd say. And for the ring muscle up you can do instead a burpee pull up. So just burpee, chest to the ground, come up and then chin above the bar. These are the scaling options for this workout. 9-minute AMRAP. What is my goal? This is what we always ask ourselves, or what I always ask myself when I do this kind of videos. And my goal is to start with like smaller sets, to then see how far I can go. And after 7 minutes, I just want to try to do bigger sets to go like more or less to muscle failure. I think it's possible to reach the round of like 15, eventually even 18. Because I want to do small sets, small rest, as I said, and I calculated this for the 9 minutes to see how far I can go. And I think after like the round of 12, we have some reps in. I need a bit more rest for the ring muscle ups and the back squats. So I think around 15, I hope for around 18 is possible. So this is the goal. I'm going to do a long warm up for this one. We're going to do some snatches before. After that, we're going to do some deadlifts. So the snatch complex, for example, is a snatch pull, below the knee squat snatch and 2 overhead squats, then some strength, and then the legs should be ready and warm. And after that, we're going to do 3 sets of 2 reps back squats and 2 ring muscle up, just to get the hips warm, to have the feeling for the movement. After that, 5-minute rest. In the gym.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate. You won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more. Take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance. My last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down. Myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
We are back in the gym for the second session. In the background you can see a class. This is St. Pauli Athletic in Hamburg, Germany. If you're close by, just come in for a drop-in. And I want to talk to you about the workout you just saw, the 9-minute AMRAP. So you can see that I did the workout with Elena on the left, and in the background you can see Marco. Marco is doing exactly the same as I did, and Elena did deadlifts instead of back squats because she had a competition with a lot of air squats. So this is a scaling option as well if you don't want to do squats. And she did bar muscle ups instead of ring muscle ups because she wanted to improve with her bar muscle ups and wanted to see her capacity. But I still think that you could stick to the scaling I told you, the burpee pull up and the back squats with less weight if you want to scale that one. So my thoughts. I said that I want to do sets of 3 from the beginning on, and I didn't. it's always the same when you do the workout with someone you want to beat, more or less, because this is our sport or this is my sport, and as a competitor you always want to win, right? So Marco joined the session and I said, okay, let's see what we can do. And I think I did the 3, the 6 unbroken, and then I had like bigger sets than I said before. And now after the workout, I'd say I would stick, if I would do it again, I would stick to sets of 3 as I was planning, or as I planned to do, because in the end I did too much rest. So when you see the workout now, or the video now before doing the actual workout, then just think about doing slower and smaller sets, small rest, small sets. Because I was crushed. I think you can see it in the middle of the workout, like at minute 5 and 6. I was standing in front of the barbell. I didn't feel ready for doing more squats. I felt not too confident on the ring muscle up. So yeah, I think it would be good to just split it like fast, and then you can work through it. In the end, I did 5 out of 15 ring muscle ups. It's still a pretty solid score, I'd say, but if I would do smaller sets, I think I could have been able to reach the round of 18, as I said this morning, for the workout. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy doing it. Share your scores in the comments section if you want, and yeah, use SmartWOD app timer. It's the great timer. You can just put your own workout